Hey, how y'all doing today? Today I'm gonna do a see no evil, clean with me. I'm just gonna clean out my makeup drawer. It needs cleaning out really bad. There's stuff in there that's years old, and anything that's in there that's more than, I'm gonna say 5 years old, whether I use it or not, I'm gonna trash it and go through the rest of the stuff and see what I can get away with on getting rid of, throwing it in the trash, and then I'll start over on buying me some new stuff. But I'm gonna clean the drawer too and then reorganize the stuff back in there when I'm done. So hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, so this is my makeup drawer. I'm gonna be working on today. I'm gonna clean it, I'm gonna declutter it, because there's some stuff in here that is years old that needs to go in the trash. And hopefully I can get some stuff to replace it soon. So basically I've got my makeup brushes and a mirror. This one here is just random stuff. This is mostly my eyeshadows, blushes, and like face powders and things. That's my wipes. Up here I've got lipsticks, lip glosses, chapsticks, ponytail holders, and this is like my primers and my other spray, finishing whatever spray, and my eyeliner. I just need to really go through every item in here and declutter it, organize it a little bit better, and clean the drawer and put everything back in. So that is what we're doing today. I decided just to use the dog crate because it's bright in here, a little brighter in here than it is in my bathroom right now. And I spread Maggie's blanket over it, and I'm gonna use this little Walmart bag for trash because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a decent amount of trash out of that stuff. Just wanted to show y'all this drawer is pretty filthy. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it all down inside and out. Then I'll put my, that's just bad. That's just from being so old. It's chipping a little. And after I clean it out, I'm gonna go ahead and put my little divider things back in there. I threw away a decent amount of makeup. I'll throw away more when I get some new stuff. I love my eyeshadow palettes. I knew I was gonna have a hard time parting with some of those, so I didn't get rid of as many of those, but I did get rid of a few. And after I wipe this drawer down, we're gonna put the dividers back in and sort out my makeup and try to make it look just a little better in here. I know y'all probably noticed I also keep my headbands and my bobby pins and stuff in here. So we'll see how we can get it sorted out. Okay, y'all, I think I'm done with this. I took everything out. I decluttered, cleaned everything up, and organized it back in. I think I'm gonna leave out this mirror. I'll probably put it in my closet because there's not really room for it in here. There's no sense in my little magazines being in there. I'll find another spot for those. And this little bit of stuff right here, this eyeshadow came in a kit, a big kit that my husband bought me, but I do not do blue eyeshadow. It don't look right on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that to Diamond just to play in, and give her these two little lip glosses. She loves makeup. And I'm gonna give her these little lip glosses because I have a bunch. So instead of throwing them away, those are still in decent shape. I'll give those to her. And then in the back of my drawer, I put my little face roller. I just got that at Dollar Tree just to try out. I've never used one. I kind of like it. And then all my ponytail holders go in this little thing here. And then I've got my primer and my eyeliner, my spray, and a little clip in here. In the front, I've got my brushes, combs, some of my headbands. I've got a lot more headbands in my closet. And then these little clips for when I'm coloring my hair or doing my hair. I went ahead and left all my eyeshadow palettes in this one and my other little eyeshadows because that's what I've really got the most of, I think. And I did declutter some of it, as bad as I hated to. These, that's just something that came from Dollar Tree. I just use it every once in a while, but I do like it. So I kept that. And this is my little face wipes. I just threw those in there. So basically all of this is like eyeshadow type stuff, and maybe like this eyebrow stuff that I rarely use. I really need to practice on my eyebrows because I've got non-existent eyebrows basically. This drawer is where I keep in my powders and my blush and all my lip glosses and some mascaras. And this is my base that I'm using right now, my foundation, because that's what I used to use, and I'm out of the one I've been using. I kept a few lipsticks. I've got a pink one for summer. And this lip, like crayon, I really still like that a lot. These two are fall colors that I'll use more when fall and winter come. And then I kept one little tray of lip gloss in there that I use sometimes. I'll put these back. This right here is just where I keep my chapsticks, and these are lip oils that I try to use at bedtime. And then I kept all my newer brushes and just a few old ones that I use all the time. This right here is the main ones I use with eyeshadow when I put my eyeshadows on. So I've got those bundled together. And I kept my little paper that came with my new brushes so that I can, if I don't know what one's for, I can check back with that. And, oh, my little bobby pins in this one. I'm thinking that's it. And I cleaned it up. I wiped it down real good with that Mrs Meyers daisy scent. So I think it turned out really good. Now I'm going to have my husband take it and put it back where it goes. Because I don't like trying to get a big drawer like this in and out. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all have a good day. Bye.